So this guy class. Good evening, class.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, we are going to, my name is Chris, first of all. We are going to go through our housing unit. Yes, can you, I'm going to share my screen or you can already see it?
Yeah, we can see.
Yes, we can see. By the end of the lesson, each and everyone, I expect him or her to know the meaning of warehousing. I'll start by introducing warehousing. Identify categories of warehouse costs. Those are some of the objectives. Explain issues affecting warehouse. Identify various types of warehouse. The next we'll look for categories of warehouse cost. I'll ask Kelvin to read through them. Corid?
Okay, I'm seeing it. Handling, storage, operations, administration, and general administration expenses.
Yes, thank you very much. The next one will read about issues affecting warehousing, type of material to be handled, warehouse facility, type of and size and location, inventory and inventory location, level of technology, choice of unit load, market and product based stability. We are going to go to the next one. I'm going to ask Bethel to read through reasons why warehouse is necessary.
The first one is seasonal production. The second one is seasonal demand. Then large scale production. The fourth one is quick supply. The fifth one continuous production. Then lastly price stabilization.
Okay. Okay. Up to there, I'm going to ask if there are any questions. I'll take any questions from you.
What does seasonal demand and seasonal production mean?
Seasonal production means, oh, sorry for that. Seasonal production, for example, I can give like a rainy season. Rainy season, mostly people buy umbrellas and gumboots, maybe warm clothes. Those are the seasonal productions. Yeah. Is there any question? Is there another question?
What about seasonal demand?
For what I have explained, that was seasonal demands come when seasonal production comes when there's a seasonal demand. Seasonal demand links to seasonal production. Then production comes after demand. Now, a warehouse, reasons why a warehouse is necessary. One will need a warehouse that can sustain storage of these things in case this in this time of season. Is there another question?
It's okay, sir.
Yes, we are going to the next slide. We are going types of warehouse. I'm going to ask Bethel to read through them.
The first one is private warehouses, then public warehouses, government warehouses, bonded warehouses, then cooperative warehouses.
Yes, thank you for that. We are going to go to the next one. What is a public warehouse, Kevin?
A public warehouse is where there is storage of goods and services for the public.
Yes, I can say, yes, thank you for that. A public warehouse, basically, these are warehouse owned by the government that store goods bought by the government. Yes, we can go through the advantages of this warehousing. It is a general less expensive and more efficient and effective to achieve more customer level. The next one is public warehouses are usually strategically positioned and easily available. Public warehouses are adequately and flexible to meet more space requirements for several plants and are available to suit the requirements of different users. The next one, yes. Then we'll go through conservation of capital is more in public warehousing. These are the advantages. It has got enough space to handle the peak requirements. Public warehousing has reduced risk in their operations. Public warehousing has got economies of scale. The next one is it would give tax advantages to the end user. Then the last one, knowledge of exact storage and handling cost. The next one is disadvantages of public warehousing. Problem in communication is due to system incompatibility. Specialized services may not be always available whenever it is needed. Adequate space may not be always available for the end user. Yes, we can say here, public warehouses, most of you understand everything that as the deals with public, as we can say it has communication problems due to the high number of customers or end users that it may serve. We can also say that communication may be poor to its customers, and maybe if their customers need space, it might not be available always because of the large number of people using them. We can also maybe anyone who has any other disadvantage or advantage, you can add them. Kevin, advantage or any disadvantage of a public warehouse?
Poor maintenance.
Yes, public warehouse sometimes may face poor maintenance, maybe because to inadequate funding. Bezwell?
Another one is mismanagement by the management of the warehouse.
Yes, that can be true also. There might be mismanagement of funds or mismanagement of the warehouse because it's a public facility. Mostly it may lack in auditing. Mostly it may lack accountability by its staff. Yes, let me end there. I'll also ask you to go and read more on other public, more on other types of warehouses. Read and make notes on all other services, all other warehouses. That is government warehouse, boarded warehouse, and cooperative warehouse. Yes, we'll discuss that in our next lesson, and I expect you to have notes. Thank you for attending my class, and have a good evening.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.